Hey there for Dragonfly and me friends. I am going to do a quick tutorial on how to make salami roses. So I just taught a really fun class on how to create beautiful and stunning charcuterie boards. And so this was one of the techniques that I showed in my class, but I want to do a quick video on how to. So the first thing you're going to need is either a like a champagne flute, because it's a little narrower, or a shot glass is what I like to use. And then as you can see, this is not one that's tapered. This is more of a regular shaped one. However, I am going to pull one out and show you how to make one from a tapered one as well. It'll be a little more pointy. But these are super easy, and you can get several roses done lickety split. So I'm gonna have you guys see down here. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna think about it from a north, south, west, east, northwest, northeast, southeast, southwest is how you're going to put the salami pieces down. So you want to think about half the piece, and then you're going to just edge it around there. So there's my south, now north. I'm going to take another piece and put it right there, overlapping it. So there's my north and my south. Now I'm going to do my other two sides. So this would be technically east and west. And I'm going to put those in there. So what you want to think about is see where those two overlap. That's the next spot that you're going to put a slice of salami. And then now I'm going to do the other two. You can stop with 4. It won't be quite as full as this, or you can do more and have a more detailed rosette. So here we go, friends. See how it looks inside? Now I'm going to flip that over, twist it, and there it is. How easy peasy is that? So now if you use a shot glass like this, it's going to be a little bit more of a rose bud. So we're going to do the same technique: northwest, north-south, west, and east. And then 2 more slices. And this is going to be, I'm going to show you the inside. I'll turn that around. Easier to push in front of you. So now you see how it's much tighter inside, right? It's not a full open rose. Again, we're going to flip it over, twist, and there's a rose bud. So as you can see, friends, a full rose or a rose bud. Super easy peasy, friends. So to see my how to create beautiful charcuterie boards, keep posted. I'll be putting a link out. I'm going to have a YouTube video as well as a blog coming with it. So as always, friends, be sure to eat fresh, shop local, and have a great day.